Hello to you, and thanks for being with us today for Spotlight Carolina. I'm Mark Cady, and a minimally invasive in-office procedure at Mountain Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates has been providing a lot of relief for many patients across Western North Carolina. And the good news is this procedure is now coming to Asheville. Here today to talk to us about that from Mountain Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates, Dr. Sean Kosnick is with us. Good to see you again.
Thank you, Mark. It's great to be here.
This is a program and a procedure that has done wonders. It is really a cutting-edge procedure, but the cool thing is now it's come to Asheville. Talk about the new location.
Yeah, so we had so many patients that were traveling to our other office locations, and in order to make it more convenient for them, we opened an office here in Asheville. It's a fully functional office, and it was designed specifically for the sinus patients. So we can do their workup and evaluation, any pre-procedural evaluations they require for insurances or otherwise, do their procedure and follow-on care right here in Asheville.
There were people when I've seen you on this program before, and they go, man, I wish it was in Asheville, and now it is, which is a really exciting thing. Fall allergy season is coming up. Talk about how this procedure can benefit those people with allergies.
It's a common question. People always wonder, how is this going to help my allergies? And in fact, the procedure doesn't directly treat allergies, but it does make patients' symptoms a lot better. So many of my patients will stop taking their allergy medications. They don't need them as frequently or as often. And it's a great benefit that we didn't even realize until the patients started reporting back all the great benefits with their allergies.
The recovery from this procedure is a lot quicker than other procedures. Are there some other benefits that come along with it?
Some great benefits. In addition to the recovery, there's three really important points I think patients need to know. One is that the pain, very little pain or discomfort with this procedure. So Tylenol or ibuprofen really is all that we give afterwards. The cost is much better. There's no associated fees with hospitals and that sort of thing, so the co-insurances are much less. And the last thing, I think people always think of sinus surgery of nasal packing, and that's not something that's required with this procedure, so it makes it much more easy for them to recover and a lot more convenient.
That is a relief for a lot of people, I know, and
Yes.
sometimes the reason why people stay away from it. You know, a lot of people may feel like they need a referral for this program from an ENT, from the general physician. Is that true?
Not really, not at all. For most private insurance companies, all they have to do is call the office and we can get an appointment scheduled right away. There's a very rare number of some programs that require some referral, and our staff is very well versed in that and they can facilitate that.
Speaking of insurance and referral, you kind of alluded to it earlier. I know, is that correct to say most North Carolina insurance programs will cover this procedure and it seems to be more cost effective, is that correct?
That's exactly true, yeah. Many of the insurance companies cover it and favor the in-office procedure. And in fact, North Carolina Medicaid just this year started to cover it. So it opens up a whole new door for patients who previously couldn't have this procedure.
If you are suffering from sinus problems, this is the procedure you may be looking for some great relief. You can learn more at mountainent.com, mountainent.com, or set up an appointment. 4 locations: Asheville, Sylva, Franklin, and Murphy. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Mark.